Hey everyone! I am finishing up packing the extras that I had for the Provence box, which was our May box. And I thought I would actually show you guys just a little packing demo of kind of so you see what everything is and how it goes into each of these boxes every month, and all the care that I take and to make it extra special for you guys. So I thought that would be kind of a fun little different behind the scenes for you. So as you know, you've seen the boxes. I went ahead and did some of this stuff beforehand because sometimes it does take me a little bit of time, but I fold every single one of these pieces. I have a special fold that I do. So, and it does take a little bit of time, so I figured you guys aren't gonna wanna watch that. But each box gets one of these. You put it in here very carefully and very beautifully so that everything looks nice when you guys open your boxes. This month we did a bunch of shred in your boxes, and I'm not a huge fan of shred, but sometimes you just need it, and this happened to be one of those boxes where it did actually need the shred to keep some stuff from moving and to keep everything nice and pretty in here for you guys. So we have our shred, we have our tissue paper, and the first thing that is going in our box was the beautiful watercolor tea towel that we did. This is a flour sack tea towel, so that one is gonna go right there. Next up were these absolutely gorgeous, and I love these things so much. I brought these back from Europe with me. These are olive wood salad servers. They are all different, and so that is what is gonna go in here next. Next up is our herbs de Provence, which I included. This actually goes with your recipe that you get in each box, as well as the sea salt packets. This is from a place in southern France that I cannot pronounce, so I'm not even going to try, but the sea salt is amazing. It's a gray sea salt and it is so good. So that also is going in here for the recipe that I am providing. Next item up are the cookies. Now, just so you know, each box, when it goes out, is gonna have fresh cookies. So just wanted to let you guys know that you're not gonna be getting stale cookies or anything like that. These were from a friend of mine. She is a French chef, and she owns a company called Bonatarte, and she does all kinds of really amazing things. She does these cookies, she does tarts that are out of this world. I think I said this on my live opening, I seriously would love to be able to send the tarts to you. Unfortunately, I can't, but oh my gosh, they're so good. So anyway, these are going in next. So pack those in there nice and pretty. Next up is your recipe card. And every month, everyone gets a postcard. Now these are put in a glassine envelope just to protect them, because these do go into the postcard album that you get with your very first subscription box, and you're meant to put those in each of the little I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, these go in that postcard box or album. So these are next, and we'll just tuck them right under here so that they're nice and safe. Next up are the postcards that, well, they're not really postcards, they're note cards that I designed for you guys. These were kind of a last minute thing, and so I have a little note on here for you, just letting you know that they're not on that main item. So that is what the box looks like once it is all packed. Final steps is we take this little piece right here, and I fold it over so that it looks nice and pretty, so you don't have that crazy raw edge. And we'll just take it like this, tuck it in here a little bit so that everything stays nice and secure. Next up is the card that you guys get on the outside of the box, I mean on the outside of the packaging here. And this one, I have to tell you, for some reason I forgot to add the tea towel to this. I don't know how I missed that, but I did. This one also has the QR code on the back for the curated Spotify playlist. So there you have that. And that goes in there like that. And then next up, I have just a small little thing here. I've been making all of these. And these are the little tags that go on. And I think my little dog is gonna start barking because the FedEx guy is here with some of your stuff for this next month. I'm so excited. So anyway, we finish it off with this. And that is how I pack your boxes. So, and then we just kind of finish it off by folding everything down, making sure it's all nice and pretty in there. And once it is ready to go, it will get one of these little strips on it to keep it nice and secure, and it'll get mailed out to your house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I cannot wait for you to get your next box. If you're not a subscriber, go do that right now because you are gonna love more of these boxes. I do have about 14 of these Provence boxes left. So grab one of those before they are gone, and I will see you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.